Hi, I'm Tony O'Brien, AV reviewer and ISF calibrator at StereoNET, and we're here today to do a quick unboxing of BenQ's TK850 4K HDR DLP projector. So here we are, BenQ's 4K TK850 HDR projector. If you hadn't already noticed, it was extremely well packaged, which is a good sign. Overall build quality is excellent for its $2,999 price point. The front of the unit's finished in gunmetal blue. Got a lens cap which opens to reveal the lens and hood structure. The hood's designed so that if the projector's mounted on the ceiling, it'll help keep dust away from the lens itself. On the sides of the unit are the fans, intake and outtake. We've got a total of 3 fans. And of course on the back are all the inputs, which consist of 2 HDMI inputs, USB-A, USB 3.0, which is a media reader, RS-232 12-volt trigger, 2 audio outputs, 3.5mm mini jack and Toslink or optical, and of course the power itself. We've also got all the controls you'll need to power on the projector and access the menus if you wish to from the unit itself. However, in reality, you're going to be using the remote. Remote itself is finished in the same white as the projector. A nice little touch is that it's actually backlit. So also on the top of the unit are all the lens controls situated under a pull down flap, which is again, nice little touch. We've got focus, zoom and vertical lens shift. Priced at $2,999, the TK850 is quite an interesting unit in that it competes directly with the Vivatech we reviewed last month. It also competes with BenQ's own W2700, which we reviewed last year. The things we liked about the 2700 was its accurate colour reproduction and the nice sharp images that it reproduced. The TK850, as you can see from its colour, is designed to be used in a lounge room environment, and the difference between this and the 2700 is it touts some more light output over the 2700, so it should produce brighter images in environments which have a little bit of ambient light. Naturally the projector supports HDR and hybrid log gamma. It also has a sports mode which is said to produce accurate colour and also accurate flesh tone. So we'll be keen to have a look at that and see how it actually performs. Well, that's it from us today. Tony O'Brien from StereoNET with the TK850. Thanks for watching.